Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. There's a checklist, 27 items. Solar operators in the top 1% by profitability use it religiously. They guard it, won't share it because it's their competitive advantage. But I got a copy, and I'm revealing exactly what separates the top 1% from average operators. This is the difference between 85% performance and 98% performance, between $5 million annual profit and $12 million. Today, I'm exposing the top 1% operations checklist that contractors and consultants keep private. Average operators manage by crisis. A problem appears on the dashboard, they react. This is expensive and slow. Top 1% operators prevent problems. They use a systematic checklist that covers 1. Monthly string level variance analysis. 2. Quarterly thermal drone surveys. 3. Weekly real-time SCADA variance alerts. 4. Biannual performance audits. 5. Monthly contractor performance verification. 6. Continuous inverter efficiency tracking. 7. Quarterly soiling analysis and predictive cleaning. The difference? Preventing $200,000 to $500,000 annual losses through early detection and optimization. You're thinking, we monitor our sites, we have dashboards, we review reports monthly. Monitoring and managing are different. Monitoring is passive, managing is active. Top 1% operators use active checklists that force decisions. Is string variance within range? Yes, no. Is thermal trend improving? Yes, no. These force continuous optimization, not just crisis response. Here are the 27 items in the top 1% checklist. Month 1, String Variance Audit. Compare each to site average. Month 1, SCADA Data Quality Check. Timestamp accuracy, sensor drift. Month 1, Inverter Efficiency versus Design. Catching aging. Month 2, Thermal Drone Analysis. Detect hotspots early. Month 2, Contractor Performance Review. Are SLAs being met? Month 2, Soiling Assessment. Schedule cleaning. Month 3, Production Forecast versus Actual. Weather adjusted. Month 3, Grid Curtailment Analysis. Is dispatch optimal? Etc. This systematic approach creates a feedback loop. You're constantly optimizing, not constantly reacting. We've covered how top 1% operators use active checklists to prevent problems, while average operators manage by crisis. The checklist is the difference. You're probably operating without this checklist. You have good intentions and monthly reviews, but you're missing systematic optimization. The top 1% earn 60% more because they prevent problems instead of fixing them. Schedule a download. Free Top 1% Operations Checklist, all 27 items. Enter your email, download instantly, implement immediately. This is not a consultation, it's a checklist. Use it for the next 90 days and see the difference. If you find value, we have consulting services. If not, no pressure. Get your checklist. First 500 downloads get a bonus implementation calendar, monthly template for the checklist. The top 1% of solar operators use a 27-item checklist to prevent problems instead of fixing crises. This separates $5 million a year operators from $12 million a year operators. Here's the exact checklist they keep secret. Take action now. Download free Top 1% Operations Checklist. Enter your email, download the full 27-item checklist instantly. Monthly monitoring systems, quarterly optimization processes, biannual audit protocols, continuous improvement framework. Download now. First 500 get bonus implementation calendar. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.